Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix van1 error code in League of Legends. This will be an easy fix, so follow along. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Riot client right over here, click on the left panel, make sure it is currently on League of Legends, and on the upper right corner click on your profile right over here, click settings, then scroll down right over here and click on repair game files, and then start repair. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be causing the error code van1. Now wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. Once done though, we don't have to go ahead and wait for it to finish, but once it's done, it's going to say all files successfully validated. Just go ahead, close that out, and then relaunch your game. As you can see, it currently has a updating feature, so it's basically going to fix the corrupted files that is currently missing. So it's done, relaunch your game and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, go ahead and click on your Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then type in services.msc, click OK, and then type in, or go ahead and find in VGC, so it's alphabetical. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see VGC right over here, right click on it, click properties, and on the startup type, make sure to set it on automatic. Most likely you guys have manual currently. Once done, go ahead and click on apply, okay, close that out, then relaunch your restart your PC and see if the problem still persists. Now if nothing worked, what I'd recommend is basically reinstalling the Vanguard itself. To do that, just go ahead and click on your start menu right over here, then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. This window will pop up, as you can see. Then type in Riot Vanguard. Now go ahead and click on it and do the uninstall right over here. Exit this out and it will ask you to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, Riot client will try to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Once done, it will ask you one last time for restarting your PC since it's fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.